adjectives with one syllable, we just add ER to the adjective. And to compare, we use than. For example, I am tall. My friend is tall. But I am taller than my friend. Okay. Next, short. My girlfriend is short. My sister is short. But my sister is shorter than my girlfriend. Next, smart. My friends are smart. My cousins are smart. But my cousins are smarter than my friends. Okay? So this is all adjectives, one syllable. Just add ER and use than, and you have the comparatives. Next, for adjectives ending with Y, okay, we change the Y to I, and then we add ER. The same. So one difference. Change the Y to I, and then add the ER. So, happy. For example, I am happy. My friend is happy. But I am happier than my friend. Okay? Funny. My girlfriend is funny. My sister is funny. But my girlfriend is funnier than my sister. Pretty. My friends are pretty. My cousins are pretty. But my cousins are prettier than my friends. So all adjectives ending with Y, change the Y to I, add ER. And to use the comparative, use than. Last category, third category, 2 or more syllables. For example, intelligent, interesting, successful. Okay. We don't change big adjectives. We just add more. For example, I am intelligent. My friend is intelligent. But I am more intelligent than my friend. Don't change the adjective. Okay. Interesting. My girlfriend is interesting. My sister is interesting. But my girlfriend is more interesting than my sister. Next, successful. My friends are successful. My cousins are successful. But my cousins are more successful than my friends. Okay? And remember the pronunciation. Intelligent, interesting, successful. Over here. Happy, funny, pretty. And here one syllable is very easy. Tall, short, smart. So any adjective you have in English will fall into one of the 3 categories. One syllable, ends with Y, or 2 or more syllables. There are some exceptions, but usually this is the rule, this is the rule, and this is the rule. To help you speak English and also help you with your pronunciation and intonation. See you next time.